How to increase your volume on PC or laptop. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to the search bar and you're gonna search up change system sounds. Just click on open. Then once you're in this, you're gonna go to the second option right here where it says recording. Then once you're recording, you're gonna click on the microphone that you want the volume to go up in. Just click on it. Now from here you have four options. So general, listen, levels. You're gonna click on levels. Then once you click on that, you're gonna put microphone boost all the way up. If you put it all the way up, this is super loud. Now if I put one down, this is still loud, but it's not as loud. Now if you put it at 10, I feel like this is perfect for me, but you could do whatever you guys want. So if you want this, you could also put this down, also put it up. Then just click on OK. Click on OK again. And that's how you increase your volume on PC and laptop. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.